station on the right. That's going to go to the come and go again. Clear, right?
You got a car next to you.
I'm in Frisco, Colorado, where a persistent atmospheric river event continues out here with snowfall rates of about an inch or two an hour continuing. It looks like the snowfall totals are going to be 2 to 3 feet when it's all said and done, with even some snowfall totals exceeding 3 feet at those higher elevations. But this is creating very dangerous travel on I-70 to the west of Denver as you head into the mountains with these intense snowfall rates, and they're convective in nature as well. And we've got a very strong jet stream aloft. It's a moist jet stream as well. There's moist west-northwesterly flow coming in here, slamming against the western-facing slopes here in the higher elevations. That's squeezing out the moisture, and we'll have several inches of snow through this evening, then another several inches tonight, and it's not going to die down until later on in the afternoon on Sunday, and it looks like at least 3 feet of snow at those higher elevations, possibly even higher than that. But this is creating very dangerous travel along I-70 to the west of Denver, starting in about the Georgetown area.
Pizza, McDonald's, Uptown on Main, the Dillon Dam Brewery.
It looks like there's a big, oh, these are just the,
those are clouds. They just blocked up the road. Go to the Dillon Dam Brewery? Sure. We'll turn right. It's a half mile. It could be just straight.
this town's going to be a lot of chaos for a while.